Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super helpful, especially if you're a mobile user. I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio on your phone for photo editing and AI tasks. Now, many people think you need a laptop or PC for this, but that's not completely true. You can use it on your mobile, and I'll show you how. First, open your browser, like Chrome, on your phone. Then go to the website, aistudio.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. Now here's the important step. You need to turn on desktop mode in your browser. Just tap the three dots menu and select Desktop Site. This will make the website work properly on your phone. Once the page reloads, you'll see the full interface. Now you can start using it. You can create prompts, upload images, and even try AI editing features. For example, you can type prompts like, enhance this image, remove background, or make it cinematic. And within seconds, the AI will generate results for you. But keep in mind, since this platform is mainly designed for computers, it might feel a bit slow or tricky on mobile. So be patient while using it. Still, it's a powerful tool right in your pocket. So yeah, that's how you can use Google AI Studio on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.